Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you another way to change colors while you're crocheting. So normally when you switch between colors, you'll often get these little jogs in your yarn where the color change is very obvious, and sometimes it doesn't look as nice, so here's a method you can use to help kind of smooth that transition out. So when you reach the last stitch of your first color and you're ready to move on to your second color, what you're going to do is insert your hook into just the back loop of the next stitch. So this is the back loop, and this is the front loop. The front loop is the one that's closer to you, and the back loop is further away. So I'm going to insert my hook into just that back loop. Now I'm going to get my new color and drape it over my hook. And then I'm going to pull the new color through that back loop and then through the loop that's on my hook. And now with the new color on my hook, I can just continue working all my stitches in the round as I normally would. Here I'm just going to pull on the tail end of my new color a little bit so I have a little extra to work with so I don't pull it out as I work these next few stitches. Then after I make a couple of stitches into my round, I'm going to tie off the ends and then trim them. Okay, so now I can just continue working in the round with my new color. So finishing up this first round with my new color. And I've made it all the way back around to where I did the color change. And you can see here, there's that front loop that we left, as well as the two loops left from the color change. And what we're going to do is I'm going to insert my hook under that front loop, and I'm also going to insert it under the two loops left from the color change. I'll yarn over and pull through all three loops, and then I'll yarn over again and finish my stitch. And then I can just continue crocheting the round as normal. Getting my stitch marker to mark off the beginning of my round. And the first stitch will be where we worked under that front loop and the two loops left from the color change. And now I'll just continue working a few more rounds in my new color. So I've made a few rounds with my second color and I'm ready to switch back to my first color. So I'm going to insert my hook into just the back loop of the next stitch. And then I'm going to get my first color and then drape it over my hook, and I'll pull it through that back loop and then the loop that's on my hook. And now with the first color back on my hook, I can continue crocheting around as I normally would. And that's how you can do a smooth color change. You can see on the left is the old way where you can clearly see the jogs in between each yarn, and on the right is the new way where the transition is much smoother. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.